So I'm starting getting crazy here in this quarantine, so I'm gonna do something about it. So now I feel good. I'm gonna review to you guys a couple videos, okay? Is 3 videos, same person try to take off, and after that I'm gonna take off. I have a video while I'm in Spain, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple tricks and why I did that and how I did that. Come with me. This is the first video. We can see here asymmetrical lift off of the wing. He do not prepare the wing very well. As you can see, he has wind. I don't understand why he gives so much power from the beginning without stabilizing the glider first. He inflates the glider, and to compensate the wing malfunction, he apply right brake. The direction of the takeoff changed to the left, and then he apply left brake. You're gonna see in 3, 2, 1, left brake, and just crash into the ground. This is the second video, and actually he inflated the glider very well, and then has a problem with the left hand. Every time he inflates the glider, he goes to the left. Look at the space he has to take off. Again, constant power, even before stabilizing the glider. He has a top 80. There is no torque effect, almost nothing. There is no reason to change the direction of the takeoff. The water is like 150 meters away, so he should keep constant into the wind, and after he take off, then he change the direction to avoid the water. Oh, this one is quick. He's bending forward to lift the wing. The position is totally wrong. Too much throttle without stabilizing the wing. Give to yourself time. Inflate the glider, check the glider, everything is okay. Then you accelerate, gain speed, apply a little brake, full power, and then you take off. And after you're in the sky, you get into the seat. He do not follow any of this, so I'm gonna organize the takeoff in steps. Step number 1, you inflate, stabilize, and control your glider. Step number 2, you gain speed. Third step, going out of the ground. And the fourth step, get into the seat. Alright guys, let's analyze one takeoff I did in Spain a couple months ago, before the corona. And it's a very good takeoff. I love that takeoff. It's a little tricks I use. First, I prepare my glider, connect my glider, check my lines, warm up my engine, everything behind to the van, that I get protected by the wind. Okay, I don't want the wind screw up my preparation. So I did everything using the van as a protection. Also, my glider is not inflating on purpose because I've been, behind to the van. As you can see here, the windsock is strong. So let's take a look in this video. Okay, we're gonna do a little flight and investigate the area. This is an amazing place. Let's go with me, okay?
Watch out, guys.
So here is security, okay? First security tips for you guys. Make sure, people get away from you before you start your engine, okay? And also, shout louder, clip prop. So here I inflate my glider like half snake, half like regular inflation, reverse inflation, and then I put myself to the best position to take off. So bring the glider to the right, and then I inflate, stabilize, control the glider. After that, I turn, and when I turn, I accelerate a little bit that I don't get dragged back. Let's see. See? Don't get dragged back, and then I go full power, and I woohoo! I take off. So that's it. That's all the steps. Of course, this is advanced takeoff, but the basics of this is training. Kiting, 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 and more kiting. Okay, a lot of guys, they just want to fly, and you guys don't. A lot of guys, they just want to fly, and they don't want to train. Okay, that's the reason a lot of pilots has horrible takeoffs and horrible landing, because the basics is kiting, 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 kiting skills. All right, see you next time. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy the quarantine.